Hi students, and welcome back to another week and another lesson. This lesson is called Very Hungry for Adjectives. You guys are going to love this lesson. It's going to be based off of The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start with a little hook activity that's going to get you guys all really excited. We're going to start by looking at pictures of different caterpillars, and you guys are gonna just describe them to me. You're gonna tell me about them, tell me size, color, shape, how they're different, what describes the caterpillar. And we're gonna start talking about how those descriptive words are actually called adjectives, and how adjectives are words or phrases that kind of describe a noun, a person, a place, or a thing. And then once we've kind of discussed that a little bit, we will go on to a YouTube video, which will give us access to a read aloud by another teacher that will read the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, to you guys. The actual lesson is going to take place over 4 days. It's going to be 4 class periods over those 4 days. So the first activity you're going to do is that you will be able to write in a Google Doc, and you are going to, instead of writing on paper, it's going to be a substitution of writing on paper, and you're going to be writing in the Google Doc that I've shared with you just 3 phrases, 3 sentences, 3 descriptive words that describe you as a person. One of them was that I have very wavy hair. So I've put an example up on that Google Doc for you guys. I've shared it with you. You guys will then put your examples underneath mine. Make sure to put your name and your examples underneath it. The second activity is augmentation, and that is going to be an activity where you're going to be able to take the words, the descriptive phrases, and things that you've used in the Google Doc, and you're going to draw yourself based on the descriptive words and phrases that you were able to come up with. So you're going to be doing that through Google Drawings, and you're going to use different shapes, lines, arrows, whatever you want to do that's going to show me and let me visualize the descriptive words and phrases you came up with. And then when you're all done, you guys are going to share that with me so that I can have access to it. The third activity that you guys are going to be doing is a modification activity, and you guys are going to be using VoiceThread. You're going to be leaving comments and responses through VoiceThread, and you're going to answer 2 questions in the VoiceThread. You're going to answer what your favorite part of the book was and why, and you're also going to write what your favorite adjective from the book was and why. So you're going to go through the book, pick your favorite part, favorite adjective, talk about it. You can either talk about it in a video clip, an audio clip, a text clip, whatever you want. You're going to post to the VoiceThread. I have access to all the VoiceThreads, and I have put up an example for you guys of what I'm looking for, with also a little video description of what you guys are going to need. That will be in the VoiceThread details. And then once you've completed that, I want you to go through your friends' comments and responses, and I want you to respond to at least one of your friends and just discuss with them what you thought about what they had to say, why it was good, what you think you could have changed, something like that. And our fourth and final activity that you guys are going to do is a redefinition activity, and that's going to be using Book Creator. You guys are going to be coming up with your own versions, your own, something similar to The Very Hungry Caterpillar. You're going to be using your own descriptive adjectives, own words and phrases, own characters, things like that, and you're going to be creating 3 pages. You're going to be creating a title page that will have an adjective on it, and then 2 other pages that will at least have 1 adjective on each page, okay? I have given you guys a link that you can look at, and it will show you my example book that I came up with called The Very Angry Parrot, and you guys can look at that for a reference, okay? And then when you're done, I have posted a Google Doc for you guys that you can take your Book Creator link after you've published the book, and you can put it right into that Google Doc, okay? And make sure to put your name so that I can see it, and I can make sure that you have it and give you credit for it. And then to wrap up the entire lesson, you guys are just going to be doing a quick Google Forms telling me what your favorite activity was and what you would do to change the activity. If you guys have any questions, you know exactly where to reach me, and we will be in touch. Have so much fun. Good luck, guys.